Cross-border employment counsel versus local employment solicitors. Which one is better for international hires? Most companies get this wrong, assuming that local employment solicitors are enough when hiring employees abroad. The surprising truth is that cross-border employment counsel provides a global perspective and coordination needed to navigate complex international hires and expatriate packages. Local employment solicitors offer expertise in a single jurisdiction. They ensure compliance with local labour laws, draft contracts, and handle disputes. This is invaluable for understanding regional regulations, but their view is often siloed and may miss interactions with home country rules or multi-country policies. Cross-border employment counsel, on the other hand, coordinates employment law across multiple jurisdictions. They advise on international hiring, immigration, tax implications, social security obligations, and global mobility policies. For example, a tech company relocating employees from the US to Germany needs guidance not only on local employment contracts, but also on tax equalization, work permits, and compliance with EU regulations. Cross-border counsel ensures these elements are aligned globally, reducing legal and financial risk. The key difference is perspective. Local solicitors handle compliance locally, while cross-border counsel integrates strategy across jurisdictions, offering holistic solutions for international hires and expatriate management. Many global employers combine both. Cross-border counsel sets the framework and local solicitors ensure compliance in their jurisdictions. The takeaway is simple: for international hires, relying solely on local legal advice can create gaps and unexpected liabilities. Cross-border employment counsel ensures a coordinated, compliant, and strategic approach, protecting both the company and its employees. The surprising truth is that global compliance often requires more than local expertise. It demands an integrated cross-border strategy.